Hello, superhero. I am here to talk to you about What's Your Heart Story, which is the workshop I'm doing with Tulani Bridgewater Kowalski on Saturday, July 13th in this very living room and or via Zoom, wherever you are. But if you're in LA, come here. I want to share why we're doing this. Every time you write a book, every author will tell you that everybody says, yeah, I have a book too that I'm going to write, and then they're not writing it, right? This workshop is for people like that who have a story that they want to tell, either in book form or in poetry form or essay form or one-woman show or film or TED Talk or Love Forward Talk. And if you don't know what Love Forward Talks are, go to loveforwardtalks.com, and hopefully we'll have some people come out of this who may give a Love Forward Talk one day. But this workshop is for people to jumpstart the process. Like, this is not a writing workshop where we're gonna start writing a memoir, start writing a talk. We're gonna just explore our hearts first and tease out the stories and then work on the stories that we find. It's just a one-day workshop from 10 to 4, 6 hours, 10 to 4. And I'm gonna make a beautiful lunch for the people that are here. I think it's gonna be a really, really magical day, but I would love for you to be here if you know you have a story to tell or you think you might have a story to tell. I always have at Love Forward Talk somebody who has never given a talk before, or several people that have never given a talk before. And some of them I have said, hey, I want you to do a Love Forward Talk. And they say, I don't even know what I would talk about, but they very, very soon figure it out because we all have stories to tell. And you know how that is when somebody shares a story from their heart, how moving it is and how vulnerable it is and how you both end up being moved. And sometimes people end up being changed by your story, right? Or taking a left turn or a right turn in their life because of your story. So it's incredibly beautiful, the process of sharing stories. So what we want to do is tease out the stories so that you can share the stories in whatever format you want to share them in. So I'm hoping you'll join us if you feel like this might be for you, but also please spread the word, because like if your mother or your father or your aunts or uncles or any distant relative, you know they have a story that you want to tell either for your family or for posterity or to be up on a TEDx stage, right? Or write that memoir and get it published because you know a publisher would love that story, or self-publish, whatever the case may be. If you know somebody with a story or you have a story, please come to What's Your Heart Story. Go to loveforwardtalks.com to find out more, and I hope you'll be here. Thanks.